red and round. B is for bunny hopping on the ground. C is for cloud so fluffy and white. D is for duck who wakes up bright. Ha! E is for early, the morning song. F is for friends who sing along. G is for grapes on a tall green tree. H is for happy, as happy can be. Limb! I is for idea, let's get those grapes. J is for jumping in funny shapes. K is for kind rabbit, hopping fast. L is for laughing, what a blast! M is for mischief, the parrot's plan. N is for nod and catch me if you can. O is for oh when the chase begins. P is for parrot walk with cheeky grins. Yay! Q is for quip, the duck runs wide. R is for rabbit by his side. S is for sun that shines so high. T is for tree where the grapes lie. U is for up, they climb and cheer. V is for voices we love to hear. W is for wow, what a funny race. X marks the spot